Hi there. So I recently got this. It's HiFive's HiFive Unmatched. It's the world's fastest risc-v development platform or board. I also got a random-esque Flex-ATX power supply, ready to roll, and a case. Geek A30. It's a very tiny case. If you just compare it, like, it makes you wonder, how is it gonna fit inside? But as they say, we're gonna go through it together, and we're gonna survive, hopefully. So the first thing to do is we're going to build the case, and then do the rest. So it comes not pre-built, so this is gonna take a while. So I think it's time-lapse time, I suppose. Okay, so we've got V2, installation guide. We've got some screws to screw around with, and yeah, aluminum frame. So the first thing is to build the aluminum frame, or aluminium as they say. So these are vertical ones, I suppose. These are the other ones. Now, we need some screws. We need E screws, so A, B, C, D, E. Another thing we need is an iFixit kit. Not sponsored, so don't buy from them until I am sponsored. Here we go. This looks good. Yeah. So one part of the frame is done. Time to do another one. Just screw in. And should be good to go. We've got 2 pieces of frame ready to go. Next step. Right, we've got this. We need to put it like so. And we need to put this like so. We need to screw it in. The top part of the frame. Obviously, I feel like it would be good to remove the peels. It's so good to be a guitar player, but even that doesn't help me. Does it? Jesus. How does one take this off? I think I found a strategy. Yeah. I found the most insane strategy to take these off. It's called the screw-to-hire method. You make a little hole, right? You can see it, I hope. Well, let's use a little bit more of the screwdriver. Yep, here we go. Here we go. This is it. We did it. Yeah. I'm a professional screwdriver. Anyways, so now we've got those screws. So we need to put this one at the bottom of the frame. So we're finished with this frame. Like, it's where the motherboard, I mean the whole computer will sit on. So, now this looks more like a case now, doesn't it? I could already put the Mobo in. Bottom panel, I need the bottom panel. As I say, we're screwing around. Here we go. That's the bottom panel. All we need to do now is secure it in. Alright, so now we need to install the power supply, it appears. This is the moment you all have been waiting for. HiFive Unmatched. Unmatched, but matched with Geek A30 V2.0. I've already opened it beforehand. I just was busy with C-glue, but this is the board. Let me get a better shot of it. This is the board. Beautiful, isn't it? It's like very tiny. Just look, what a tiny fan here. Let's just install it, shall we? Ouch. Damn. That was not... It's very nice that it's a very bare motherboard. I would have been dead by then. Don't I need to install the I/O shield? I/O shield will go in like so. Pretty basic stuff, really. How are we supposed to plug it in? Damn! That's just unfortunate. Oh my god. Oh, Jesus, I'm like Linus. It should be alright though. Should be fine. I hope. Lob the star of the show in carefully, almost as if I hadn't ever dropped it. Okay, so we did it. We have the board in. We have the board in. So yeah, we need to install the PCIe riser cable. Highly recommend to install CPU, cooler and RAM before installing the motherboard. Well, we just did that. That's very good. I'm glad I took the steps to do that. Alright. This is a cable. Certainly 5 cables. Very nice. Very nice feeling, gotta say. And yeah, so now what we will need to do is get a graphics card in. It says A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, we will need some H screws. Right, we will need 1 H screw. And 1 H screw. And a graphics card. Those are a little tricky to come by these days, aren't they? If only there was something I could salvage it from, like a gimmick, which I have regretfully bought many years ago. Wait. Ooh, look what do we have here. Oh, here we go. Yes, jackpot. This right here is a gigabyte RX 580 gaming box. It has lots of issues like a flimsy cable, it disconnects and hangs the whole system, so I haven't used it in ages. It's dusty. Huh. Let's disassemble it, shall we? So I suppose I need to set it down from here, or no? From here? Yeah. I think so. Seems to fit. Yes. Actually, I don't think it does. This is very interesting, to say the least. What are we gonna do? This is interesting, because we're gonna need to cut out a chunk of the case. Okay, I mean, I just pushed it in, but I can't turn it on because this scrapes it. This fan is too big. So what I need to do is cut out a piece right here. Question is, with what? How am I gonna do that? Knowing me, probably the worst way possible. Alright, I went a bit ahead and just did a little bit of rework here. Okay, now I know what you're thinking, but this is gonna work, at least. I can clean this up later. Look, this new industrial design. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. All we need to do is now redo the placing of things. Oh, here we go. Now we're gonna go inside. Yep. And lock in place, please. Here we go. We're in. I mean, it's got the whole thing at the bottom, but it doesn't touch. It's perfect. It's fine, as they say. So we've got a little bit of a problem. I don't think this board has USB, at least USB 3, which is fair. I mean, I'll still install it. Oh, do I need to screw it in? Screw that. Okay, I'm not installing it. We've got it. And this feels good. This feels good. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Done!
So this was it. Tune in next time when we will be taking this system and be plugging it in and having a first boot and a look at how it works, how it feels, what are the first impressions, and what are the detailed specifications. And afterwards we will be making a fully fledged review with comparisons to other similar caliber machines. So don't miss these videos out, and if you liked this particular video, overflow the like button because it helps the channel absolutely tremendously, and it also helps me reach the goal of -2 billion likes. You do know how overflows work, right? Alright. And thanks for watching. Don't forget, my name was Heap, yours was undefined. See ya.